Children, the explanation of next page. He stood in a corner and started calling out, "Who will buy my cow?" So who stood in the corner? Jack stood in the corner of the market and he started calling people that who will buy my cow. Okay. So a few farmers looked at Daisy and said, you can see in this picture also, few farmers, they came near to the Jack and they saw that the cow and they said that that cow is too thin and old. They don't like the cow because the cow was too thin, okay, and she was old also. So Jack was disappointed as no one came forward to buy his cow. So Jack became very sad because he wanted to sold his cow so that he can have some money to buy the food. So he became very sad that nobody is coming forward to buy his cow. Now what will happen? How will he go home? Okay. However, he met a farmer at last who looked over the cow. So finally he met a farmer over there and he looked over his cow. Looked over means it is a phrase, looked carefully, right? So he looked carefully the cow and was eager to buy it and then decided that he want to buy that cow. He was very excited to buy it. Jack asked him, how much will you buy it for? So Jack asked him that how much he is going to pay for that, for his beloved cow. Okay, how much money he is going to pay. The farmer said, I do not have any money, but I have a handful of magic beans. So the farmer replied that he does not have any money, but he can give a handful of magic beans. Okay, beans which can show some magic, because he does not have any money. He can only give that handful of magic beans to Jack in exchange of that cow. Would you like to exchange your cow for them? So farmer asked the Jack that would you like to exchange? Would you like to agree with this deal that I will give you a handful of magic beans and you will give me that cow. So would you like to exchange your cow for them? Okay, he asked the Jack. At first, Jack thought that the farmer was joking, but the farmer had a kind expression. So at first, he thought that that farmer might be joking, that he is not giving me money, he is giving me handful of magic beans, and beans also can show magic. That is not real. So he thought that he must be joking. But when he saw that farmer is serious, farmer is showing kind expression, he looked with tenderness, he is not joking. Okay, he said, these are not ordinary beans. They are the most wonderful beans that were ever known. So the farmer said to the Jack that I am serious about this deal, and these beans which I want to give you in exchange of your cow, that these beans are not ordinary beans, right? These are wonderful beans, these are magic beans, and you have never seen these type of beans in your life. If you plant them tonight, they will grow up by tomorrow morning and reach the sky. So what is the magic? That if you sow that beans in the soil, they will grow up by tomorrow, and that particular day only they will reach the sky. So usually it does not happen. You sow a bean and you wait for a week, then the plants come out, and it takes a lot of time. But this magic bean, if you sow it tonight, it will grow up by tomorrow morning and it will reach the sky also that day, right? So this is the magic of those beans. For some reason, Jack could not refuse the farmer. So Jack became curious that is it so? These beans are going to reach the sky very next day. So Jack could not refuse the proposal of the farmer, and thus he sold the cow for a handful of beans. Thus he agreed to sold his cow. Jack agreed to sold his cow for that handful of beans. Then what happened? He came back to his home. Alas, when he got home, his mother was furious. What do you mean by furious? Furious means very angry. So when he got home, his mother was furious and she screamed, you silly boy, what shall we eat tonight? So when he showed this handful of beans to his mother, that I have exchanged my cow and with that handful of beans from a farmer, the mother became very angry and she shouted on him that you silly boy, what shall we eat tonight? If you have not got any money in exchange of that cow. So what shall we eat tonight? What are we going to have in dinner? Okay, so angrily she threw the beans out of the house. So as she was very angry, she threw that beans out of the house. Since there was no food to eat that night, and both mother and the son slept hungry. So as they don't have any money to buy the food, because the jack sold that cow in exchange of that handful of beans. So both of them, they do not have any food to eat that night, and both the mother and the son, they slept hungry.